Hello and brother and sisters, today we are going to unlock iPhone 11 on the latest ISO 26.6 and ISO 26.5.2. First of all, you need unlocking iCloud file. If you need any help, you can WhatsApp me or Telegram me on this number. We are available on WhatsApp and Telegram. If you don't have WhatsApp and Telegram, then you can email us on our email address. After having a unlocking iCloud file, you can import the unlocking file to your 3U tool, or you can using MacBook. You can also download 3U tool on that and import the file and start flashing. Flashing will take like 5 to 10 minutes depend on your iPhone model, and your iPhone will be unlocked. This method is working for ISO 26.6 and ISO 26.5.2. So if you have any other iCloud ISO, you can also contact me or WhatsApp me or Telegram me on this number. We are available on WhatsApp and Telegram. If you don't have WhatsApp and Telegram, you can email us on our email address. So our flashing is start. It will take like 5 to 10 minutes depend on your iPhone model, and we have already fast forward the video so I can easily guide you step by step. And after flashing, you can use SIM card, call, data, everything will work fine. Also, you can update or reset your phone. This is a permanent unlocking method and everything will work fine. Just you need to WhatsApp me or Telegram me on this number. Also, this method is working for all iPhone model and all iPad model. Also, if you have iPhone 11 Pro or 11 Pro Max, also these model are supported. Or if you have any other iPhone model like iPhone 12 series, 13 series, 14 series, 15 series, 16 series, and also 17 Pro Max series is supported. Congratulations, our phone is turned on, and now you have to follow this step. If you're seeing iPhone locked to owner, don't worry, it will be removed, and just you need to have to follow these steps. Select language, select any country. This method is working all over the world. If you're from any country, you can contact me and we will help you to unlock iCloud account. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone, so it will take like little bit time, like 30 to 40 seconds, and your iPhone will be go to directly data and privacy option. If you see data and privacy, it's mean the old iCloud account is gone and now you can activate your phone. You can also see in 3G tool the iPhone 11 logo is appear. Data and privacy, old iCloud account is gone. Select adult, set up later, passcode options, don't use, don't transfer anything, set up later in settings, agree, continue, not now, setup later. Setup later. Also, you can use SIM card or you can use 3G, 4G, 5G. All the network are supported. All the carrier SIM are supported. If your phone was carrier lock, it's also unlocked. Welcome to iPhone, and we are good to go, and we can now use iPhone 11 on latest ISO 26.6. You can see in 3G tool this is ISO 26.6, and our iPhone Apple ID is ID lock off and iCloud off, and you can use this phone. You can also enter the new or old iCloud account here. Everything is working fine. Also, you can enter the SIM card and make calls if you want. Everything will work fine. Take care. Bye bye.